Hello! Captain Sam Starfield here, aboard the story ship Rocket. I'm in a bit of a pickle, and I need your help. You see, my pilot is fallen sick, and there's no one to fly the ship. And that's where you come in. I'm hoping you can help me out. If you click on the link below, you'll get an app that'll remote control fly the ship. So click below and download the app. But before you do this, we're going to be flying through an asteroid belt. It's coming up very quickly. It's lots of boulders and rocks and things you've got to go through. So here to tell us more is Hornbuckle the robot. Everybody say, "Oh, Hornbuckle!"
Coming, sir. I'll be right there. Oh, dear. Coming, sir.
Yes, there you are. Hornbuckle, I'm telling them all about the asteroids mission here, but can you tell them more about the asteroids themselves so they know what they're up against?
Oh, certainly, sir. Asteroids are small rocks, basically, that orbit the sun. And they range in size from pebbles to hundreds of miles long. Now, these asteroids are found mostly in what's known as the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt lies between Jupiter and Mars. Here's something interesting for you. What do you call an asteroid that eats meat? Meat-eater-oid!
Yes, I've heard that one before. Hornbuckle, pull yourself together. Come on. Yes. Oh, there's the warning. We're getting close. Hurry, get the app. You've got to help us out. We're counting on you. We'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Thank you.